This one's easy. People get it. Chiropractic helps people move better. Movement is one of our key fundamentals, along with sleeping well, eating well, focusing, and breathing. And when we look at these fundamentals, we take it through the lens of the Thrive formula. The Thrive formula, again, is having a healthy functioning nervous system so that our body can control and coordinate itself appropriately. Then we give the body everything it needs, and we limit or eliminate all the things it doesn't need, and we do that over time so that we get to thriving. I really want people to be fluent in that formula because it can help us really hone in and dial in our health so that we can deliver our talents to the world in the best way possible. Now, chiropractic and movement is intimately connected, and moving well is one of the key fundamentals for us being healthy. So when we think about chiropractic and movement, it's pretty simple. Subluxation is a loss of motion. Well, it's several other things too, but it is definitely a loss of appropriate motion. Particularly when we think about it through the spine and the pelvis, we need to have all of those joints moving appropriately so that the nervous system can be free to flow from the body to the brain and back. And of course, we need to have things moving appropriately because if we don't, that creates reflex muscle spasm and nerve irritation and inflammation at that spot. And that can create certainly symptoms, but it absolutely changes the way that we're able to move. So here's what happens when we do a chiropractic adjustment. Chiropractic adjustments identify areas that aren't moving or aren't positioned appropriately, and we change that. We restore movement through that. We restore coordination through that, because now as we get it moving, the brain can then get the right information from that joint about how it's moving and how it's positioned in the world. And it restores joint health, because when a joint stops moving fully, within 24 hours, we can actually see degenerative process through the microscope at the cartilage level. So that's something that many people don't know. The breakdown starts to happen quickly. So chiropractic adjustments restore movement, coordination, and joint health. And all of that leads to recovery. I mean, imagine this. You can think about the age spectrum all the way from infancy through the elderly. And in there somewhere is you. And all of us want to perform at our best. If that's just walking to go get the mail, or if that's actually competing on a sports field or in an arena, doesn't really matter. We need to be able to do all of these things, and we need to recover well from the movement that we do in order for us to take the next steps and to become the best version of ourselves. So that's how chiropractic influences movement, which is one of our key fundamentals to being optimally healthy human beings. I'm Dr. Chris Grier. I'm excited to continue this series. Be sure to stay tuned into it. We'll talk soon. Enjoy your day.